concept living with a huge island in the kitchen. Amazing views of the castle mountain. Here we are in the primary suite. Outdoor entrance to the hot tub. And covered deck. Amazing walk-in closet. Primary ensuite bathroom with double vanity sinks, large soaking tub, and separate tile shower. Half bath. Office space. Laundry room. And ginormous 3-car garage. Upstairs in the loft we have 2 beds, 1 bath, and an outdoor patio.